got a haircut today. Doesn't Hannah look pretty? Doesn't Hannah look pretty? Say something to her.
Hi, Hannah. Hannah, you look pretty. You got a haircut. Did you get a haircut? Huh?
Hannah. Did you get a haircut? Huh? She looks so pretty, doesn't she, Layla? Doesn't she look pretty? Doesn't she look pretty? You're going to tell her she looks pretty? She looks pretty. Doesn't she look pretty? Oh, thank you, Hannah. So pretty girl. We let Hannah down? Oh, Hannah, you look so pretty. Oh, yeah. Hannah looks so pretty.
I said you look pretty. Now move it.
I don't think you're going to fit on my lap, sweetheart. No, I don't think you're going to fit on Mommy's lap. Can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. Stay. 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 Stay right there. Don't you move. Okay, come on. Good girl.
Good job, man.
Oh, yeah. Hannah, sit. Hannah, can you sit? Sit. Whoops, where are you? No, this is Hannah's. There you go. Kenora, can you just look pretty? Can you look pretty? Here. Here you go. Good girls. Good girl.